Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes and I will give you a Coinbase tutorial for beginners, and I will show you how to earn, buy and sell cryptocurrency even if you have no prior experience of buying cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So we will be on Coinbase obviously, and I'm on the Coinbase homepage right now. So if you haven't signed up for Coinbase already, I will leave a link where you will get about $10 and I will get $10 as well. So it's a kind of win-win situation. So you use it if you want. What's cool with Coinbase is, it's a very easy platform and website to use. It's a nice, simple design. It's safe. It's easy to buy cryptocurrency. Another cool thing is that you actually can earn cryptocurrency completely for free. So as you can see right here, earn up to $40 worth of crypto. And in this case, it's several different cryptocurrencies that you can earn. $3 of new cipher, earn $3 of graph, $3 of band, and I will show you exactly how it works, and it only takes a couple of minutes usually. So anyways, I suggest you sign up first and I will show you what it looks on the inside. Logged in right now, and you can see the first thing is portfolio balance. You can see watch list. Obviously you can favorite different cryptocurrencies that you might be interested in buying. You can scroll down and you can see earn free crypto with Coinbase Earn. And you can see your portfolio when you actually have cryptocurrencies and have bought something. So the first thing, you can see transactions as well, but that might not be as interesting right now. So the first thing I will show you is how you can earn cryptocurrency for free with Coinbase Earn. So in the dashboard on the home page, you can scroll down and you can click on Earn Crypto. And you can see right here, earn crypto while learning about crypto. So discover how specific cryptocurrencies work and get a bit of each crypto to try out for yourself. So this is very cool. I've actually been doing this myself and I've earned some cryptos doing this. I've probably earned cryptos worth about, maybe $30 or $40 or something in total, because these cryptos get updated when there are new cryptocurrencies to learn about and stuff like that. So you can see the first thing you usually have to do is to join a waitlist. So you can just obviously scroll and look if you actually have some cryptocurrency that you can earn money from right ahead. Usually I think you will have to join a waitlist. So I'll just show you what it looks like. You can just click on view. I suggest you go through and click view on everyone, so you join the waitlist. And as you can see right here, learn new cipher, earn NU, and obviously we will just learn how it works, and we will earn $3 in NU tokens. So you can see when you scroll down, beginner lessons, what is new cipher, and then you just have to watch the videos. And as you can see, it's a 1-minute video, and you will get a quiz, and if you answer it correctly, you can do this how many times you want. So there's literally no single chance that you can't earn money doing this, so don't be afraid of choosing the wrong answer. Just watch the video, try to learn, as it's a good thing, and you'll get the quiz and you will answer the right question and you will earn the money or cryptocurrency. So that's basically how it works. You can see right here as well, more assets to earn. I've joined all the wait lists, so when I become eligible to watch the videos and earn money from this, I will do it. And as I said, I've already earned some money doing this, so it works. It's totally legit. Anyways, I'll go back to the homepage and I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency now. And as I said, go to the homepage. You will probably see something like this. And what you can see in the upper right corner is buy/sell. So we will click there. buy/sell, and you will get this little pop-up. And this is very simple. I usually buy cryptocurrency with my debit card. You can buy cryptocurrency with your bank account as well and just make a bank account transfer. I suggest you go with a debit card because it's very easy to get started. Obviously this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purpose. So I will just show you how to buy your first cryptocurrency or your second or whatever with Coinbase. So you can see right here, we will enter an amount. I use euro. You might be using US dollars. That doesn't matter. So you can see buy Bitcoin, and in this case pay with my debit card. Click on pay with. You can get different alternatives, and you can add a payment method. And if you don't already have a payment method, if you're completely new to this, you can just add one. And either you add your debit card or you add your bank account, and you will obviously get different alternatives to pay with when you've added a payment method. So we'll just stick with my debit card right now. You can see Euro Wallet as well, but I will leave that and explain more about the wallet later. So I'll just keep it this way, and we can just add €2 maybe. And what will happen is you can click preview buy. You'll see how many Bitcoins you get if you actually chose Bitcoin as cryptocurrency that you want to buy. You'll see what you will pay with. So this is my debit card. You can see the price for a Bitcoin. You can see the purchase and the fee. So this is the downside with Coinbase and the debit card and stuff like that, because you will have to pay fees. And you will see the total amount. So you will just get €1 of Bitcoin in this case, and you will pay about €1 in fee. So that's the downside, but obviously if you are fine with the fee and the cryptocurrency and the amount you want to buy, you just click on buy now, and you will own the cryptocurrency basically. So what will happen is, I won't buy it right now. I will just enter the homepage again because I already have a couple of cryptos here, so I will show you how that looked like. So you can click on portfolio, and it usually takes some time to get your cryptocurrencies, and you will just have to stay patient. Don't worry, they will appear in your assets in your portfolio later. And you can see right here, I have some Compound, I have some Maker, Chainlink, Band Protocol, and some of them are from Coinbase Earn, which I showed you earlier, and some of them I've bought. So you can see, you can see the different cryptocurrencies you own. If you want to trade cryptocurrencies, I will show you how that works as well. You can see in the upper right corner, buy/sell. We will click there again, and in this case you can see convert. So we'll click this little tab, and what you can see right here is you can convert your cryptocurrency. In this case it's Bitcoin to Ethereum, but you can choose from, we can take Band Protocol in this case to Ethereum, and we can click convert all. And in this case, there's no fee. So you will see we will convert Band Protocol crypto into Ethereum crypto. And you will see pay with Band, you will see the exchange rate, you will see the total, and we will just click on convert now. And what will happen is our Band Protocol cryptocurrency will be turned into Ethereum, and it's the same amount of euro in this case, so you don't lose any money doing this. And what will happen is we'll have to wait for a bit until this updates, but you will be able to see that we actually get the Ethereum. And as you can see right here, I've actually gotten my Ethereum, and I don't have any Band any longer because I converted all of them into Ethereum. So that's how that works. And the next thing is how to sell your cryptocurrency. And when you sell your cryptocurrency, they will go into your assets and your fiat wallet. And as I said, I'm using euro, but you might be using US dollar. So you will see when you sell cryptocurrency, they will go into your fiat currency, in this case euro wallet. So we will click on buy/sell once again. You can see the sell little tab right there. I'll click on that, and you can see right here, sell Bitcoin, in this case, deposit to euro wallet. So you will just have to enter the amount of euro or the amount of US dollars that you want to sell. So in this case, I will try Bitcoin. I'll click on sell all. We'll see if it works. So preview, it says how many Bitcoin I will sell. It says deposit to euro wallet, sale, some fee, and obviously there's fee for buying and selling, not converting. So you have to think about that as well. As you can see, the total payout is just, 0.01 euro. So that's basically nothing, but I will just click on sell now and we'll see if it works. In this case, it will probably take some time to actually get my Bitcoin sold. So we'll just have to be patient. But what will happen is when everything's done, you will get the amount to your fiat currency wallet. So I can show you what it looks like in the wallet when you actually get the amount you've sold. So I'm in portfolio and I clicked on euro and you can see balance. The next thing, if you want to actually withdraw your money as well, you first have to sell your cryptos, like I did with my Bitcoin now, for example. You will have to go to portfolio, you will have to go into your euro or USD wallet, and you can see right here, withdraw. We'll see if it works now or if I have too small amount, but you click on withdraw tab right here. You will click on withdraw all. In this case, you can see 0.02 euro, and you will click on continue. And in this case, you will just have to add a debit card, or you can add your PayPal. You can add your PayPal account. So PayPal withdrawals will be instantly and they will be free, which is very cool. Or you can add a bank account that will probably take some days to get your withdrawal. Anyways, you add whatever you want. I'm usually using PayPal for withdrawals because they are instant and they are free. So when you have entered the amount of euro or US dollars that you want to withdraw, and you have chosen an alternative to withdraw to, in this case I would just show you PayPal. We'll click on this thing, we'll click on continue, and I see an error occurred because the amount must be at least 1 euro. But that's basically how simple it is. And this is how simple Coinbase earning, buying, selling cryptocurrency Bitcoin is. And hopefully you know the basics of Coinbase right now after watching this tutorial. So I will leave a couple of links as well to another exchange I'm mainly using called Binance, and you will get 5% off of the trading fees. I will leave some links if you are interested in learning more about cryptocurrency as well, because there's a lot of education that you have to do usually if you want to go deeper inside cryptocurrency and actually make money investing and make money even programming and developing cryptocurrency projects as well. So I will leave some links to some free trainings there as well. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to feel free to subscribe to my channel as well, because I will create more cryptocurrency tutorials and create more content around cryptocurrency as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you around.